Welcome, here I've got Amazon fake Samsung and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap to this button we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have to focus on this settings bar. We are from the left in general category. Let's move to the center to the photo settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down, and as you can see we can find the preview size option, so our aspect ratio, when we tap on it, we can pick between two options, the standard 4 and 3, which is now, or the full screen. So let me change it to full screen, and as you can see now the background has changed to the full one. So this is how it works. Another tap to the left corner at the bottom, we are again on the center on photo category. We can slide a little bit, pick the preview size and go back to standard 4 and 3 aspect ratio. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.